Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we'll be cash stuffing for the month of April 2024. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my channel today. So today we'll be cash stuffing for the second time of this year, and I know it's already towards the ending of April, but you know, if you've been following me, I've been going between stuffing this the 3 binders of regular cash stuffing and then my wedding binder. So yeah, so today we'll be doing a regular cash stuffing and we'll be cash stuffing a total of $520. I do have my little breakdown here on the side that I'll be referring to. So let's go ahead and count out the cash. We'll be cash stuffing a total of $520, and I do have all 20s here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 520. So $520. All right. So let's see. We're first gonna cash stuff my regular binder. So it's gonna be this Louis Vuitton one, and I did take it into Louis Vuitton recently. I just picked it up last weekend and I got it hot stamped. So I have it in pink, can you guys see? And I put SLL for Stuff Like Lists. So now that I have my binder back, I can finally do a cash stuffing. But yes, this is going to be for my regular envelopes. So we're going to cash stuff emergency, and emergency will be getting $20. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 20 and 40. So $340 for emergency. Okay, next is car expenses, and car expenses will be getting $20. And as you can see, I do have this envelope empty, and that's because recently I had to renew my car registration, so that's where I took out from this envelope. And if you're not from Hawaii, you probably don't know, but we have something called safety check as well. In addition, each year we have to renew our safety check, and it runs, I think, between $20 to $30, but it's another added expense here in Hawaii. So I'm not too sure. Every state might be different. Not sure if you have it in your state, but we do in Hawaii, and mine is coming up in July. Okay, so next is parents, and parents will be getting a total of $40. Okay, so 20 and 40, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, and 650. So 650 for parents. Next is holidays, and holidays will be getting $40. So altogether, holidays has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, and last envelope for this binder is self-care, and self-care will be getting $20. Okay, so we have 20 and 40. Okay, so that's it for this binder. Next we'll be cash stuffing my travel binder. Alright. So first we have airfare. Oops, can you guys see? First we have airfare. Airfare will be getting $80. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80. altogether we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. So 140 for airfare. Next is stay, and stay will be getting $60. So 20, 40, 60. So altogether, stay has 20, 40, 60, 81. So $100. Okay, next is ride, and ride will be getting $40. So 20 and 40. Guys, so 2 weeks ago I actually got sick for the first time. This is the first time since before COVID started, and it took me out. I was out of work for like 2 days, and then I finally went back to work, and then last week was my full week back, but I'm still kind of, you know, getting over a cough. I'm so much better, but you know, it's still there. So sometimes my voice gets a little cracky, or you know, it gets to the point where I have to cough, so excuse that. But altogether, ride has 20, 40, 60. So just in case you're wondering why my voice sometimes gets a little weird. Next is food, and food will be getting $60. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 100 for food. Next is shopping, and shopping will be getting $60. Okay, 20, 40, 60. Altogether, shopping has 20, 40, 60, 81. So $100. Okay, and that's it for my travel binder. And lastly, we're going to cash stuff my 100 envelope challenge. And we will be cash stuffing. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80 left. So we'll be cash stuffing number 20. Alright, so over here is number 20 in the corner. And then we'll be cash stuffing number 60. So I'm going to try to do at least a high number and a low number each time. Okay, and then 60 is right here. So 20, 40, 60. Okay, so that completes my cash stuffing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and color in number 20, and then 60. Okay. There you go. So 20 and 60. It's very light. All right. And then lastly, before we end for today, I do want to share with you a new item that I brought to my shop. Okay, so this is the new bundle that came to my shop last week. This is the A6 heart clip bundle, and basically there's 5 envelopes, and then you may choose the category, and then it's in a rose gold vinyl, and then each envelope will be getting 5 heart clips. So I'll just show you really quick. You're just going to remove the clip, and then you're going to put in your cash, okay, just like that, and then you're going to attach the clip. So that. I think that's so cute. And then this coming week, I'm going to be coming out with these luxury inspired purse charms for your binder. So that's kind of like what it looks like. This is one of them. So this is Chanel inspired, and then I also have Hermes inspired, Dior inspired. And here's another Chanel in a different color, but aren't they so cute? So I have them in several different colors. They're limited right now because I just want to see how it goes, but I thought that these are so cute, and basically what you do is just attach them to your binder. So I'll show you an example. So it'll be something like this. Isn't that so cute? It's like a miniature purse, and then looks like that. Okay, but yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick sneak peek of what's going to be coming out. So just stay tuned, and you can follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll be coming up with more updates during the week. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next cash stuffing. Bye everyone.